Ever felt like your PowerPoint presentation were missing that personal flair? Well, with new Microsoft PowerPoint 2024 Cameo feature, you can add or embed your live feed directly into your slide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add that. And I would say it is pretty easy. All we need to do here is we need to navigate to Insert tab, which is the second tab here. And now if I go here to our right hand side, I will see this option which says Cameo. So all you need to do here is you need to click on it. That's how you will able to add this perfectly circular cropped video feed. And not only you can keep it circular, I would say, if I go here on camera format here, you will see there are so many different options, which is not only circular but also a rhombus or even a hexagon. Okay, so based on your requirement or whichever you like, you can select that. And now after selecting the shape whichever you like, you can go to this preview option, from where you can select the video feed or the camera of your system. And then from here you need to make sure that you have connected your camera, and all you need to do then is you need to click on preview. And as soon as I clicked here on preview, now you can see me and my live feed in this PowerPoint. Now I can also go here in slideshow mode and can see myself. And again, let me quickly swap my screens so that I can go to this particular mode. And now again, you can see how this live video feed work. Again, let me click here on this circular cropped live feed and camera format. Now I can make it rhombus or even hexagon, as we were discussing before. And now again here we can see or even have a preview of how overall this look. And then obviously you can increase or decrease size of it. You can also crop it based on your requirement. So in this way guys, you can utilize Cameo with your presentation and make it more engaging and personalized. And I would say give it a try in your next PowerPoint project. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to Technoholic for more such productivity related videos that are going to make a real time impact in your day-to-day life. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.